Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hey, guys. Welcome back. How was everybody Thanksgiving on yesterday? Like right in my way. How was everybody Thanksgiving on yesterday? Come on, get some act right. Act right. Yes. How was everybody Thanksgiving on yesterday? I had a wonderful time. A wonderful time with my family. I really did. First, we went to my parents' house, and over there was quite a few over there. Then we all left from over there and went to later on about 6 o'clock or 6:30. We went to my oldest brother's house. It was the party of a lifetime. I had so much fun, so much fun. I really enjoyed myself this Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful for a lot of things, mainly for life itself, mainly for my parents. You know, that I still see them at the age that I am and the age that they are, and mainly for my husband, house, my twin brother, my other brothers, my sisters, my YouTubers. I'm thankful for a lot of things that I cannot sugarcoat. So I made some more microwave chunks right here. I made some more microwave chunks yesterday, last night rather, when I got home before I went to bed. And this time I put them in the freezer and I let them stay overnight. This thing get on my nerve with the zooming out and zooming in mess. Focus. Yeah, child. So um this time I let it stay in overnight. So I'm gonna see if, a lot of people was telling me let it freeze. Some say don't put it in the freezer. So we just gonna see. And I was debating last night. My husband said leave it out. Well, I said, well, that's the only way I learn. I mean, if it come out the way I want it to, then I know to keep it in the deep freezer. And if it don't come out the way I want it to, then I know next time to just leave it out. So that's how that's gonna turn out. Yep. So that's how that gonna be. Yep. So we all going to see together. So I ate yesterday, so I couldn't eat no more. It was so funny because when I was at my brother's house and I was getting some food, they had this thing up there and a container. It was clear so you could see what it was. So I'm my crazy butt. I'm thinking it's because it looked like lemonade or it looked like pineapple juice, and I love me some pineapple juice. So I gets me a cup and whatever, and I end up pouring the juice in a cup. I tipped that thing back, drinking it like it's juice. I had a whole head rush. Come to find out that thing was full of liquor. I was like so furious. I thought it was just juice. I didn't know it had liquor in it. And it kind of fucked with a nigga yesterday because I'm like, look, man. My husband was laughing at me. He was like, stop lying. They ain't looking. I let him taste it. He was like, oh my God, that thing's strong. I was like, what? They ain't had no labels on this thing. Because, I'm not a drinker. You know what I'm saying? I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do none of that stuff. So it kind of messed with me real hard. It kind of messed with me real hard yesterday. Or whatever. But it's okay. In spite of it all, I still had a good time. I really did. Can't complain. I just know next time, learn to act. Learn to act, child. Yep, so. I mean, that thing was strong, too. Oh, look at these chunks. Mmm. Mmm. Look at that, guys. Pure white. Pure white, baby. Pure white. Pure white. Get out my room. Get out. Pure white, baby. Child, honey, child, honey, child. This is nice. Mmm. 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 Yeah. Definitely be putting them back in the freezer. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna start doing microwave chunks instead of oven chunks. Oh my God, it's so good and it's crunchy, pure white, pure taste. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, baby. Look at this, guys. Y'all want some? Pure white. Mm-hmm. Tastes so good. Nice sizes. Nice sizes. Let's bite this one. This is all cream. I didn't. Mm, this is all cream. I didn't mix it with anything.